Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 12th of May 2014 market review. As you can see, this will be the new format of our newsletter to you as a trader. As you can see here, the trade for the day is not Anglo American, it's Shoprite. Shoprite, the code is SHP. The latest price of Shoprite is 169.42. The idea on this specific share is to go for a short or a sell. Now basically you want to trade it from a high level to a lower level. The entry level regards to this newsletter is the selling point is 169.59. Your target, if it wants to break the sell level to go downwards, is about 159.80. Now if the share do bounce and it bounce back, your stop loss level will be 174.48. That will be your stop loss level on Shoprite. Please take note, not Anglo American but Shoprite. If you go further downwards, you will actually get other calls as well here, indicating Billiton, Bill, latest price is 332.37. Also downward selling point, the entry level is 337.73 to a level of 326.28. Use your stop loss of 343.45. Mondi PLC and Mondi Ltd is also there. There's the codes. If you want to go and look at quick charts on it, MMP and MMD. Now there's opportunity, latest price is 177.50 or buy, so it means your entry level is about 177.23 and your stop loss is 172 and the target is 187. So that's where you want to trade from a low to a high, and your profitability could be about 5.9%. If you go and look at Pioneer Foods as an example, here PFG, latest price is 93.15. That's the last current trading price. Sells trading price here. Go from a high to a low. Entry level is 92.47. And your target will be 85.61. Your stop loss, if it doesn't want to occur, could be 95.90. And the percentage on the trade you can gain out of this is 7.42%. If we go further down on this newsletter here, you can actually go and look at the top 40 as well. Looking at the top 40, they're talking about resistance, that's the high level, support is the low level here. Now they're expecting most probably on the support, if it could break down, that we could see further downward cycles happening here. But let's go first of all back to the Indy, that's the Dow Jones. And I just want to point out to you, this is the Dow Jones, the American markets currently. They were a bit positive on Friday evening, and they're still positive in the futures for today for late afternoon trading. So as you can see, they're here on the top here of 16,500. Please take note of 16,400 on this green line here. If it bounces, it could go bounce back upwards, or if it breaks this green line, it could come down. But you can see the index is quite high. Looking at the J200, or again the top 40 shares, you can basically see there is the upward channel. The blue line is the index price. It's the index of the top 40 shares on the JSE. Please take in mind this green line here, it's a 21-day moving average. But today, the future shows a bit positive. Let me show you quickly on the live chart again. This is the top 40 shares, opened at 8:30, giving us indication our markets can open at 9 o'clock this morning. This is Friday's close, and this is this morning's opening. So this is a big gap, and this big gap was about 239 points positive, as you can see in early trade. So it's testing previous highs of about 44,250 to almost the latest high of 44,350. So it's very close to the high ranges. If we go back to that the latest end of day chart, you will see it's going a bit sideways. Let me zoom in here, and you will basically see the uncertainty currently happening in the market for their direction. So we could see a positive opening today. Let's go back to my retailers that I normally look at. As I explained to you last week, there's the upward channel. Look at this green line. Then the share price did come down. I'm looking currently at 166.52. So let's see where that could take us. Let's go to Woolies example here as well. Woolies is also testing the previous highs. So if I will go and call up a Fibonacci on this level here, using that lows to those highs there, you will see the shares almost on this high of about 73.86. The other highs that you can look at is 75. The shares trading at 73.25, quite topish at this moment. No entry as yet on this specific share as well. Mr. Price, if we go back to that one, after the announcements and the speculation coming to this share, the better profits will come out. Share jumped to 165, testing previous highs. So it went through my red line after a while, after weeks of sideways trading, one day just jumping up, and now there's uncertainty again. We will look at your indicators showing some toppishness as well. And the willing percentage, stochastics is also a bit toppish, and the RSI is also a bit toppish, as you can do on the previous trades. Let's run quickly to MTN example. MTN did test at new highs of 222, 221, currently trading at 220 at this moment, broke the previous highs here. Let's see where the share can take us in the short-term period. I personally will not get into this technically because it shows very high levels at this moment, and you can see it's testing on the stochastics also high levels, as well as the RSI is also losing steam. Vodacom. Now Vodacom broke to 127.40, one very fast last week Thursday, and it continued to go a bit higher. The problem I've got here, it's trading at 132. The next high is about 135. The 2 rand gains is not worthwhile to get in there. Would rather see if there could be a downward cycle happening there very soon. Looking at BGA, that is Barclays Bank. Barclays Bank is currently trading at 154 rand. The high is 155. Look at the cycles are trading sideways here as well. So this, I'm going to draw this black line on as the current support level, and where that red line is, that is the current high level. We need to see if there's going to be a bounce up or a bounce down happening. At any time, if it breaks this green line, that's the 21-day moving average, definitely downward cycle would happen. Let's see what the markets delivers this week. We've got a full week of trading. We'll keep you updated later on. Thank you, traders.